Watch out, boy, he'll chew you up. Oh, here he comes. He's a mannibal. Oh, here he comes. Watch out, boy, he'll chew you up. Oh, here he comes. He's a mannibal.
Hey there, Gingerbread Mannibal, and for today's gingerbread treat, I'm going to be trying Nature Valley's Crunchy Gingerbread. Now, according to the box, this is a limited edition, and it's made with 100% natural whole grain oats, which you definitely want when it comes to your gingerbread treats. Aww, cute little gingerbread on the outside of the Nature Valley Crunchy granola bar. So, with my gingerbread hands, I'm going to open, and I'm going to let you know how this tastes. It's a good gingerbread taste, actually. When I first put it in my mouth, it tasted a lot like gingerbread, and then the granola taste came in. If you don't like granola bars, why would you be getting this? But if you don't like granola bars, probably not going to dig it. It definitely has a granola bar thing to it. There's a little bit of that biting gingerbread aftertaste, but I would give Nature Valley Crunchy three limbs out of 5. Fun fact, partially produced with genetic engineering. My kind of gingerbread treat. And the thought of the day, if a gingerbread man eats his gingerbread home, is that cannibalism? See you next time.